This is Bisti Wilderness Badlands, and we're gonna go see the King of Wings now. Okay, today I'm going to try to find some interesting formations in Bisti Wilderness area in northwest New Mexico. Never been here before. This is notoriously hard to find. I saw a couple other hikers. I might be able to, hopefully they're going to the same area, but they even say around here there's so much iron in the ground in these formations that your GPS maps doesn't work very well, so they kind of give you a general direction. Not many people know where this formation is. One of them in particular is the King of Wings. It's very difficult to find, but I have always wanted to go there, so I want to get there while there's still enough light, and hopefully some great weather turns out as well, and be able to find my way back in failing light. So let's get started. It's embarrassing. It's this way. This place is just fascinating. The first time I came here, I went to a different part of this area, and I mean, it is just incredible. I mean, this is definitely a photographer's dream come true as well. But actually, I was lost for a little bit, and my GPS even told me that I was heading the opposite direction. But I do have some good news. Right around the corner here, I was finally able to spot the King of Wings. So I am stoked. I'm very excited that I'm actually going to get to see this, where for a while I was lost, and I figured I better just cut everything off and just head back if I could even find where the parking area is. It's just notoriously a hard place to find because there is no trails at all. And plus, for serious nature people, they don't want a lot of these areas touched. I mean look at this. I mean, these things here you could easily just push off and they'd be done forever. And these things have taken thousands of years. At the King of Wings finally. It's getting really cold. The light's starting to fail. We're almost at sunset. I'm waiting for some color to come up in the sky. And unfortunately, this is going to leave me to where I'm going to have to hike alone with no GPS in the dark to try to find my way back. Not sure how that's going to go. I have a direction in mind, but I'm very far away from my car. But I am very, very happy that I was able to at least find this formation. It's beautiful. It's about 35 feet long stone structure that's like all these other ones that are slowly riding down on the softer eroding rock below it. Absolutely fantastic. So one good thing about this, it's getting really cold. Not sure if I'm going to be able to get back that easy, but we're at the King of Wings.